school, this year class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE syllabus, triangles chapter. In our last session, we have completed about 2 exercises and also important 3 theorems, right? So now we are going to start with your first main of your exercise 2.3. So what does this mean, children? You can see pair of triangles. Pair means 2. Pairs of triangles, check whether they are similar or not. And if they are similar, by which similarity criteria they are similar? You need to write that. So let's start our session today with your first problem. Observe here carefully. So ABC is a triangle and PQR is another triangle. So observe here, children, what you have? You have angles. So let's see the angle. 60 degree, 60 degree. Yes. 80, 80. 40, 40 degrees. Okay, so what you can say? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Then I can say that these 2 triangles are similar. What is the rule for similarity, children? Corresponding angles are equal and the ratios must be in proportion. But in the pair of triangles, we have only angles. What given in this figure, we'll compare with that only, we'll say whether they are similar or not. Okay, so let's start here. So, how do you start here? Given in triangle ABC. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. What you can say, children? Angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 60 degree. And corresponding, are they corresponding or not? Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree. Angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 40 degree. So what you can say? Therefore, by angle similarity criteria. Angle similarity criteria. Okay. By which criteria you are proving? You should say. Therefore, by angle similarity criteria, I can say that triangle ABC, what is the symbol of representing similarity? This, okay? Similar to triangle PQR. It's very easy, no? Just identify and write the answer. See the second one, what do you have here? Only sides given for us. So look to corresponding to 6. 2 3s are okay. 2.54. So here, one thing you should understand. Any side you can take. Okay. See the side. Don't take the side. Only AB, PQ only we have to take. There is no such rule. Any sides of one triangle should be corresponding to another triangle side. Suppose if I choose 2. 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 2.5 2s are 5. Yes, these 2 triangles are similar. So take the corresponding sides very careful. Okay, there is no rule that only from this side you have to take. Anyway, which side is proportional you have to compare. Then that side you try to take here. So look here, children. I am comparing here. Given triangle ABC and in triangle PQR. What you have here, children? AB, by which side you are going to take? 2 2s are 4, right? QR is equal to BC by RP is equal to CA by PQ. So I have taken in an order AB, BC, CA. But my order here, from here it starts. QR, RP, PQ. Okay, this is also in an order. But this side is corresponding to this. You have to compare that. Right? So now let's substitute here. What is your AB value? 2 by 4 is equal to 2.5 by 5 is equal to 3 by 6. Now what you are going to get? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that means you got all the ratios in proportion. If all the ratios are in proportion, what you can say? Therefore, the two triangles are similar. By which, how we are saying this? Side, side, side. Okay? All the three sides by S, similarity criteria. In last session, we have seen all these three. Do you remember? AAA, SSS and SAS similarity theorems. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That's it. Let's move to the third problem here. So again, you can see the pair of two triangles. What are those? LMP, DEF. Okay, now try to compare here. So here children, one thing you remember, which sides you see. Suppose if anything like this equal to given, then that sides only you need to compare. Okay, if there is no symbolically, if they not give, you can compare any side. Okay, if they have represented like this, these two are equal like this, any representation or indication given, you have to compare those only, and then you say they are not similar. But they did not give us anything, right? So now let's move to the third problem. Okay, so now observe carefully. Okay, 2 2s might be 4, 3 2s might be 6, 2.7 2s you won't get. Do you get? No, we won't get. So directly what you can say, therefore the two triangles are not similar. Why they are not similar? In these two triangles, the ratios are not proportion. If you want, you can check here children. How can you check here? Anyway, you can check. You cannot compare the ratios actually. So directly you can say that by seeing these two triangles, I can say that the ratios are not in proportion. Therefore these pair of triangles, these triangles are not similar. These triangles are not similar. Okay, let's see the next problem. Fourth problem. So can you see the two triangles here? Pair of triangles are there. See children, last three problems we have done now. They are similar or not asked? Yes, they are similar. And by which criteria? You just add for this. First one is, second one is, third one. No, they are not similar. Okay, we forgot to write yes and no, right? So coming to your fourth problem here. MNL one triangle and PQR another triangle. So observe carefully here children. What you can observe here? There are two sides and an included angle is given. And here also two sides and an included angle is given. So how can you compare first here? 5 ones if you compare. So this 2.5 should be there, not there. So that means they are not similar. No, not like that. Go and search another way of comparing. So let me compare with 2.5, 5. What is the relation? 2.5 2s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Included angle is same. So what you can say here children? Side angle side is same. Okay. So what you can say here? Given MNL triangle and triangle PQR. Okay. So from this what you can say? MN by PQ is equal to ML by QR. Yes or no? MN by PQ and ML by QR. So that means that is equal to how much? MN value is how much here? 2.5 by 5 is equal to 5 by 10. If you cancel, what you are going to get here? 2, and this will be 2. That will be 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So the two sides are in proportion and their included angle M is equal to angle Q is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, yes, by which postulate here children? By which similarity criteria? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. That means by SAS similarity criteria. By SAS similarity, I can say that triangle MNL is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so let's move to the fifth problem here. So observe here, again here two sides, but this angle is not included. Is that included angle? No. So this angle included means it should be here, but it is here. So now observe here, again here also same pattern. Two sides included angle there. How can you compare for one triangle? Two sides included angle? You cannot compare with two sides. Angle is for the other vertex. So I cannot compare this. Directly I will say that. Therefore, no. The pair of triangles. Therefore, the given two triangles. Therefore, the triangles are not similar. Are they similar? No, they are not similar. Okay. So, see the last problem of your first main. D, E, F and P, Q, R. So, observe here carefully children. Two angles are given. 70 degree, 80 degree, 80 degree, 30 degree. Immediately what do you say? No, they are not similar. No, wait for a while. We have two angles. Can't you find your missing angle? You can find how? The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So according to that, you find the missing angle here. What is the missing angle here? 70 plus 80, it will be how much? 150. 180 minus 150 is 30. Yes, 80, 30 there. Then what will be this angle here? Just let's see here. 80 plus 30. How much here? 110. 180 minus 110? 70. Yes, they will be similar. How can you find your children? If you want, you can find. Otherwise, directly you can do this. In triangle DEF, we know. What do we know here? We know sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So sum is equal to 180 degree. What is D? 70. E is 80. We don't know angle F. That makes 70 plus 80 how much? 150. 150 degree plus angle F is equal to 180. Now angle F is equal to how much? This 150 degree, send other side. 180 minus 150 will be 30 degree. Therefore, angle F is equal to 30 degree. So, next find other triangle missing angle now. So, that makes again in triangle PQR, we know, what do we know? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. How you can write here? The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle P don't know. Write angle P. Angle Q 80 degree. Angle R 30 degree. That makes 180. 80 plus 30, it will be 110. So this 110. Send other side children plus 110. If it comes this side, what happens? Minus 110 degree. That means angle P is equal to 70 degree. So right here 70 degree. Now compare the two triangles. 70 degree, 70 degree, 80, 80, 30, 30. Therefore, by which similarity criteria here children? Therefore, yes, by angle similarity criteria, angle similarity criteria, I can say that triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, just you compare, and by seeing that you can say, children, whether the two triangles are similar or not similar. Let's see the second problem here in figure 2.35. That is figure 2.35. Triangle ODC. Observe the triangle ODC here, children. ODC. You can see a small triangle. So let's see the second problem here, children. In figure 2.35. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Triangle BOC is equal to 125 degree. Observe the two triangles, what they are similar here. ODC triangle and OAB triangle. These two triangles are already similar. They have given those two triangles are similar. Similar means what you remember immediately? The corresponding angles are equal and the sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. What is given here? Angle BOC. Outside the two triangles, something given here. That is 125 degrees. And angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC. Means this one you need to calculate. And angle DCO and angle OAB. See here, three angles you need to find now. So let's start here. How do we start? Solution here. Given triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. And then what you are going to write here? Angle BOC is equal to 125 degree. Angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Given. What you need to calculate, those angles also you just write here. DOC is equal to question mark. Angle DCO is equal to question mark. Angle OAB is equal to question mark. What you need to calculate and what they have given. So let's start here. So first, how to start this problem? Let me consider a line. Okay. So what is that line here? Roughly I'll show you here, children. So this is BD and your angle is like this. And this is 125 degree. Can you see that? See there? Then what you remember by seeing this triangle or linear pair? Linear pair, the sum of these two angles will be how much? 180 degree, right? So now we need to start here. We know. What do we know here? Angle, and this is C. Angle DOC, this angle, children, angle DOC plus angle COB. Angle COB is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Why? What is the reason? You have to write here. Linear pair. Linear pair, the sum of the angle will be 180 degree. So now angle DOC you don't know. So write as it is. Angle COB will be 125 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. So angle DOC is equal to, send this 125 degree this side, children. 180 degree minus 125. That will be 55 degree. So what you got here? Angle DOC is equal to 55 degree. So now let's erase this and write here 55 degree, and this is also 55 degree. Now immediately what you can write here? Vertically opposite angle 55 degree. What you can write? Or no need, this angle they did not ask, no need of considering this also. Now consider this triangle. Consider triangle. What is the triangle there? ODC. Again we know something. What is that? We know angle O plus angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Why I have written here shortcut? You need to remember this point itself. But while writing angle, you can add the letters DOC. And where is this D? ODC. And where is C? DCO you can write. Okay, how to remember? Angle O plus angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So DOC is how much here, children? 55 degree. ODC 70 degree. DCO we don't know. Angle DCO is equal to 180 degree. So now 55 plus 70 will be how much here? 125 degree plus angle DCO is equal to 180 degree. That means angle DCO is equal to plus 125, send other side. 180 degree minus 125 degree. That will be 55 degree. Therefore, angle DCO is equal to 55 degree. This is completed. This is completed. Still one more question. What is that? Angle OAB. So how can you find this angle OAB, children? You can directly say that this is alternate to this. Yes or no? So in between two lines, okay, this angle is alternate to this angle. Yes? Therefore, what you can write? Therefore, angle DCO is equal to angle OAB is equal to how much here? 55 degree. So observe here, children, how this is 55. You can equate these angles. Why? These two triangles are similar, already given. Therefore, they will be equiangular. So this 70 degree might be here. This will be 55, 55, 70, 70, and this will be alternate. So this line alternate angles will be 70 and this will be 70. And for this angle, this is alternate. So 55 and this is 55. In any way, you can do this, children. Therefore, angle DCO is equal to OAB is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, let's see the third problem here. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium. So let's draw a trapezium here. Okay. So A, B, C, D. This is a trapezium, right? AC and BD are diagonals. So join these two forms a diagonal. AC, BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Intersect each other at the point O. What intersecting here? The two diagonals. AC and BD intersecting at O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. You need to prove this ratio. What did they give here, children? They have given a trapezium and two diagonals intersecting at a point O and two sides are parallel given. So by seeing the figure, let us prove here. How can we prove this? If these two lines are parallel, these angles are alternate to each other. So this angle is alternate to this and this angle is alternate to this and this angle is vertically opposite angle. Therefore, by what you can say here? Angle similarity criteria. These two triangles are similar. If they are similar, the ratios are in proportion. So you can equate the ratio. How can you equate the ratio here? OD, OB, OC, OA. Okay, so like this, when you write this, do the OC by OA, you get there. Do the reciprocal, you are going to get this ratio. So let's start how to prove this one. Given data. Always we start a proof with the given data. What's the data given here? ABCD. Given ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium and AC and BD are diagonals intersecting at O. Intersecting at O. Okay. So to prove What to prove here, children? And one more given, no? What is that? AB is parallel to DC. What to prove? You need to prove that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So now let's start our proof here. If any two lines are parallel, then the angles between these two lines are alternate to one another. So according to that, you can write like this. Suppose this angle 1. Suppose if you write here 2, this is 3 and this is 4 if you write. Just to understand. Angle equal. Angle 1 is alternate to angle 3 and angle 2 is alternate to angle 4. So we are considering the two triangles. Can you observe the two triangles here, children? Therefore, let us consider the triangle OAB and triangle ODC. Okay, so we know that angle A is equal to angle C. So complete angle you can write here. How do you write? Angle A is the main concept. OAB is equal to OCD. So just understand here. If you want, you can write angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 also you can write. So next this angle. Angle B. How do you write here, children? Angle B is equal to angle D. ABO is equal to angle D. ODC. If you want, you can write CDO also, no problem. But main angle is central angle. Center letter what you have, that is important. So next, what is the another one? Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. So now we are going to write the reasons. This is vertically opposite angles. And these two are alternate angles. This angle is alternate to this, and this angle is alternate to this, and this angle is vertically opposite to the other angle. So what you can say here, children? Therefore, triangle OAB is similar to triangle ODC. How we are saying? By seeing the angles, I am saying that by angle similarity criteria. Angle you can see, or you can use only two angles you can write, or three angles if you want you can write, no problem. Angle similarity criteria. Angle similarity criteria, I can say that the two triangles are similar. If they are similar, what I can say? Their ratios are also in proportion. So let's start equating the ratios here, children. AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. How we are comparing here, children? Observe carefully. AO by OC, BO by OD. These two lines not needed. We need to prove only these two ratios, right? So now compare here. Again, OA, OC, OB, OD. Yes, exactly, it was there. Therefore, what you are going to say here? Therefore, the two triangles are similar, then the ratios are in proportion. So if you want, you can write therefore OA. You can rewrite this. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Hence, it is proved. They asked us to prove, no? Hence, it is proved. Okay. With this, we are going to end our session, children. We are going to start your fourth problem in your next session. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.